Are you looking for the best Nintendo Switch? In this video, we listed the 5 best Nintendo Switch in the market. Let's start with the list. Number 1, Nintendo Switch HADSKABAA. You probably know a bit about the Nintendo Switch already, but if you haven't settled on buying one, this review may convince you, simply by revealing just what it can do and why it's a great investment. The most commonly known feature of the Switch is its ability to plug into a TV's HDMI cord and have its display on it. This means the Switch can be played on a bigger screen, but it also means that a single Switch can also support couch co-op. Many of its two-player games can be played by sharing one of the Joy-Cons with another player, so one Switch can be used as a handheld for you alone or as a console for you and your pals. Another one of the most noteworthy features of the Switch is the many ways in which you can use its controllers, the Joy-Cons. They can be connected to the Switch itself, of course, being used as if they were part of the handheld itself, like the PSP or Game Boy of yore. But you can also remove the Joy-Cons from the Switch and simply hold them in your hands for freedom of movement, while having the Switch propped up or connected to a TV. Finally, you can slide them into an accessory that comes with most Switches to make a sort of controller that is separate from the bulk of the Switch. Number 2, Nintendo Switch Lite Coral Switch. The Switch Lite currently comes in 3 colors: turquoise, yellow, gray, with a baked-in 32GB capacity, and the whole package itself, as in the retail box, is surprisingly light. The new screen is 5.5 inches, still 720p, a slight alteration from the original model's 6.2, and Nintendo claims that both the low and high end of the Lite's battery life reaches 3 to 7 hours respectively, up from 2.5 and 6.5 with the original Switch. Other than the Switch, all you get is a single power adapter. Remember, there's no Joy-Con, as the controls are incorporated into the Lite itself. Number 3, Nintendo Switch 32GB Console. The Switch is a portable gaming system with an HD touchscreen and a pair of detachable Joy-Con controllers on either side. The console comes with a dock accessory that allows you to play games on your TV, often in a higher resolution. The console's hybrid nature makes it an excellent choice for gamers who want to take a single library of HD games with them everywhere they go. One of the reasons for the Switch's popularity is its impressive roster of games, including the latest entries in its popular Super Mario and The Legend of Zelda series. Number 4, Nintendo Switch, Neon Red and Neon Blue Joy-Con. Introducing Nintendo Switch, the new home video game system from Nintendo. Along with providing single and multiplayer thrills at home, the Nintendo Switch system will also be taken on the go so players can enjoy a full home console experience anytime, anywhere. The mobility of a handheld is now added to the power of a home gaming system, with unprecedented new play styles brought to life by the 2 new Joy-Con controllers. At home, the main unit rests in the Nintendo Switch dock, which connects the system to the TV and allows you to play with friends and family in the comfort of your living room. Number 5, Nintendo Joy-Con LR. Introducing Joy-Con controllers that make new kinds of gaming possible for use with the Nintendo Switch system. The versatile Joy-Con offer multiple surprising new ways for players to have fun. 2 Joy-Con can be used independently in each hand, or together as one game controller when attached. The Nintendo Switch is a hybrid game console. It's designed to plug into a TV just like a PlayStation 4 or Xbox One, or it can be carried around as a portable device, similar to the Nintendo 3DS or Game Boy. It is Nintendo's pioneering hybrid console, giving you the best of the home and handheld console all in one convenient package. It's the first gaming system through which you can start playing a game on the big screen in your lounge, then grab the console, slot in the controllers and continue playing on the bus or train or anywhere else until the battery runs out.